We've just acquired this Renault Clio 1.2 Dynamique with sat nav. Absolutely stunning condition. It's priced to sell as it's not our usual stock. Took in part exchange. It's got a full service history and we've just serviced it. It's just been MOT'd. It's got 2 keys and the paint is absolutely gleaming. It's got rear park distance control on the back. Boots all in good condition, not used or abused. Stunning red colour. Contrasting black. Got upgraded speakers. This car does have keyless entry and keyless lock. Going to the inside, got push start. Vehicle's only just done 22,000 miles. It's got USB and aux point there. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, phone there for your Bluetooth, sat nav, and your map will come up in a minute. It's in really lovely condition. Nice low mileage example. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.